Good morning from Philippines. I'm Pastor Jonas Manuel. I'm a host pastor here in our place. Happy 14th anniversary. Crossroad Christian Center, Posta. Rejoicing with God's faithfulness and His unending grace, love, and mercy. On behalf of the Assemblies of God Church Katabugan, Pinokpok, Kalinga, we will sincerely thanks for your continued support to our ministry since you started 2020. Thank you so much for that blessing. More blessing will return to you. Your partnership in God's work has been a true blessing to us, encouraging and strengthening as we serve to His ministry and to our community. Maraming salamat. Madaydayaw ni Apo Diyos. In English, to God be the glory. God bless us all, brethren. Amen and amen.
We, from the Assemblies of God, Ilocos Kalinga, would like to express our heartfelt thanks for your partnership in the ministry here in Kalinga. May God continue to bless our ministries for the advancement of His kingdom. To God be the glory.
Thank you for your support.